folks, Eric here, back with episode 2 of this Haacke Motors mini-series from the 2025 Mecum Auction in Glendale, Arizona. Today, we're taking a look at this wicked 1968 Plymouth Superbee, a true piece of Mopar muscle with all the right attitude. Big thanks again to the team at Haacke Motors out of Layton, Utah. The real car people, and this collection proves it. Let's check it out now. Hey guys, thanks for watching the last video. I hand selected a couple videos for you to watch right now. Click here.